Hello everyone, we are the team CuraCare and today we are showcasing our project CuraBox and we are participating in Viksit Bharat Buildathon. I am Aryan Manjari.
I am Aniket Chaudhary.
I am Neil.
I am Athar Singh Chandit.
I am Divyansh Yadav.
We are from Mother Teresa School and we have made this project under the guidance of Mrs. Renu Mishra ma'am.
Nowadays, we face millions of problems related to our health. Like, nowadays we are facing the problems most of the people get heart attack issue, which is most dangerous thing, and every time medical facility is not available and they are not knowing medicines also what to do at that time. This CuraBox will help them very easily to identify the medicine by telling the problem. Like asthma patients, they do not know what medicine, what things they can do when they are not at home or they are outside also. Then also they will be connected with the app.
So now I will tell you it's working. So we have attached a camera module and a Raspberry Pi and Arduino Uno embedded in it. We have used ROS system so that it can directly connect to the hospitals and nearby ambulance services. So in this camera, it records the room or where we have kept it. So if we show an SOS signal or hand sign, or it will see any someone is like lying on the ground or something, so it will connect to SOS service in the area and connect the ambulance in the area. And now I will show you one demo of it, AI assistant telling which medicine I need to take. Now I will show you the demo of SOS system. As you can see, the camera is tracking me correctly using Raspberry Pi system. As you can see, I came here, so the camera is rotated here. Now, when I will show the sign of SOS, it will automatically call the nearby ambulance service, police station, and hospital. As you can see in screen, you can see a call recording and how it's calling. Now, I will show you the demo of his AI assistant, healthcare AI assistant. So now I will ask this some question like, "Hey CuraBox, I have fever. Suggest me some medicines." As you can see, it rotated to the row in which that medicine is kept and the light starts glowing. Now it will also tell the number of the container. As you have seen, when I asked the question, it replied with its voice and tells in which row and in which column the medicine is. And the light of that row start glowing automatically. So this is how it's health assistant but thing.
Okay guys, now let me explain you about the app of CuraBox. As you can see on the thumbnail screen, we have the CuraBox. You can see your profile here, you can see what next dose you have to take. You can see that what amount of medicine you have taken now, and also your schedule. You can see the tracking like how many medicine you take in a year and weekly and how much medicines are you taking. You can see an assistant here where you can chat with the assistant, you can ask many questions with it, you can ask for diet, you can ask for sleep times, you can ask for many more things about your health. And here you can see you can connect with your loved ones who are in need of you. Whenever you need, you can just do an emergency call and the call will be connected to them. Or whenever an SOS signal is appeared, an emergency call will be appeared in your loved one's phone. So yeah, this was CuraBox app. I hope you like it. We are very grateful to participate in Viksit Bharat Buildathon competition 2025. Thank you.
Thank you.